Hey guys, so I am doing some figure drawing studies and my pencil is just too short to be useful. That's okay. I picked up something pretty handy in Japan. I have tried the Derwent aluminum pencil extenders. They tend to eat into my fingers. This pencil extender has a soft rubber grip. It twists to extend and it's got a twistable eraser. I thought now would be kind of the perfect time to experiment with it. And I'm not a big eraser on my color pencil. Ooh, that's neat. But how do I get this to tighten? Okay, so it seems, aha, there we go. Fantastic. So I am going to resume my figure drawing and I'll let you guys watch and then we'll talk about whether or not this pencil extender is a good solution. So this is a Sonic Gripen Pencil Extender. I picked this up at Tokyo Han's. There is no really tightening of this, but it holds on to your pencil pretty securely. The grip is nice and comfortable, and you can retract your pencil in, or you can extend it out, which is also nice. And it also has an eraser slot. So if you can find these are pretty handy. I was holding my pencil a lot looser than I normally do. I tend to bear down on my pencil, which isn't good for arthritis. So a grip like this could even be good on like a half-length pencil, something that's still long enough to use without an extender. But with an extender like this, it can actually make your grip a little bit looser and a little bit more comfortable. So I like this grip. I'm going to try and find this grip for you guys online so that you can get it yourself if you want to get one of your own. It doesn't tear into my hand the way the Derwent grips do, so I think this is a really good solution, and I think this will solve the problem I had with my Derwent grips. So thank you guys so much for checking out this quick mini review. I hope it was helpful, useful, and informative, and I hope to see you guys again really soon. Bye guys!